And then we have covers to remove.
That's great.
And in case, you know, you need to really get something off.
Isn't that to use on your fellow mechanic if you get frustrated?
Tire removal. Yeah, that's the tires. Yeah.
So should we start by removing the shift handle?
Do you have a rear stay for it there?
I do not.
You better put one on there.
Would be hard to make.
What's that stay?
And we have a selection of tools with us as well, Paul, if you need anything.
No, it's okay. Guide the way, we'll be good. Yeah, it's what I need.
I'm deleting that out, right?
Yeah, we do. Just edit it.
I have a can in on my connectors.
It works really well.
That's good.
Because otherwise it wouldn't be able to pull it off.
That's going to have to come off, I think. There we go.
Stuff on 103 is like
That'll come out.
If you have to, Paul, you can cut that rest of that red off of there.
Okay.
And then pull it through, and you can always redo it at the other end. If it'll
Looks
pull
like it
through,
might pull
fine.
through.
Don't pull it right through just yet, Paul. Just take that front cover off first.
Okay.
And then just leave the wires in between the middle cover. And
Like automotive goop, you can get it at the hardware store or a good automotive place, and put goop. Build this all up around there, and it keeps these from moving. They did this here, but this is where they usually fault. They usually crack here, and then that's the biggest problem with the early Warriors. So if you put some goop around there, or
they have a lot of. I went back to him.
I do my best work down
here. Put it in the screw and turn it. You'll know which way it's going to go.
I think it's already in that direction.
I think it went.
you're gonna need a help.
There you go.
And the guy said it was one of the most dangerous.
Yeah, it's splitting already, Paul.
One possibility is you can put a pry bar here with a block of wood there.
That's a good idea.
The early ones like that one where they
It's a double. There you go.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Take that out and the other one pulls the thing out.
Right.
That's where I was thinking.
Yeah, that's where the old advanced mechanism used to be.
Yep.
screws back while you're messing around.
So we didn't really tell. He wants to film it. Are we going to find a dead body behind here?
You never know. Maybe some fingers in there. The last mechanic.
Right, it's in there.
It's great to have Sarah McLaughlin singing while we're doing this.
In the arms of the angel. There we go.
It's appropriate.
Whining music.
Oh, there we go.
All right.
Yeah, just. Did someone see what that was? Was it the seal?
Probably the crank seal.
Probably Dave's crank seal.
Yeah. No, it's there.
That's not funny.
This is the seal you want to replace too. You want to make sure you put a new one of those in.
Johnny's motorcycle repair.
Yeah.
He said he could hear the chain.
The only way you can really probably tell is if you took them out and you compared them and you look at the stretch. You compress it, you extend it.
There's a tension. There's a tensioner there.
Yeah, so it is slack in various places. Yeah.
So my chain is slack, and I've been called a slacker. So we seem to be a pair.
Yeah, you do. The chain.
Yeah. Well, yeah, Universal Crest Track.
On their bikes where we were doing 6 miles and going through a lot of chains.
Oh, did you get that nut off there?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
The filters.
A few differences.
Right, honey?
It's ready.
Put it together so you can see how it goes together. I'll show you.
Oh, one of them's backwards.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. Is it pretty perished?
It is.
Yeah, it looks pretty rough. It's always good practice to replace those.
It's hard too.